Oh, it's a lot brighter than a halogen light, quite a bit brighter. And it runs cooler too.
It's nice to get your light up above you so it's over the top and it doesn't cast shadows. You can work closer to it because it doesn't have the heat level of the quartz light or the halogen. Feels real solid.
The setup's real nice. With one click of a button, you can just slide the feet down and lock it in place. And you got 2 latches for adjustment of height, which is real perfect. And then the head does swivel real nice and easily, and you can adjust it side to side, up and down, which works perfect.
I like the versatile, how you can move it up and down, and the head swivels and turns, so you can use it in various situations and make it easy to use.
It brings you light closer to what you're doing, so it makes it easier. It's very bright, and if it's too bright, you can knock it down 2 levels.
The setup was very simple and it was easy to use. Just one button and the lights came right out. It's also nice that it uses the same battery as my other tools.
Real lightweight, it's got a nice carrying handle right at the base, so it's real evenly balanced. It's not real awkward to carry around.
With the Milwaukee light, it gives us the capability to have a tool that can last and be durable enough for us to use every day.